Our company boasts a rich and high-quality inventory of 3003 aluminum plates. We keep a ready stock with thicknesses ranging from 1 to 100 millimeters. Custom cutting is available for medium and thick-sized aluminum plates. 3003 aluminum plate is a typical manganese alloy aluminum plate known for its good strength, formability, and corrosion resistance. This type of aluminum plate is commonly used in various fields such as construction, transportation, electronics, and packaging. We offer custom cutting services for standard specifications of 3003 aluminum plates to ensure that the products meet the specific requirements of our customers. Whether you require small or large quantities, we are committed to providing high-quality and timely delivery of 3003 aluminum plates to support your projects. Feel free to contact us for more information about our inventory of 3003